Guys, welcome back to this tutorial. So now in this tutorial, we will do an example related to the switch statements. So the first thing is I will go ahead and create an integer variable and call this variable as num, and we will initialize with this, let's say, -3. So this is going to be the value of the variable, and then we are using the switch on. And what is the expression I'm checking on? I'm checking on now. So this is the variable that I'm looking for, and the expression is on this one. And then what I am doing is then put these curly braces, and if the expression value is equals to 2, then what we need to do is we'll go ahead and write the debug statement system.debug number is 2. Num number is 2. Next thing is if the expression value is -3, then in that case we will say system.debug number is -3. Otherwise, when none of these meets, then we are having the default block also. And here I will say system.debug num is neither 2 nor 3. So this is what we have. So what we have done here is, wait, I will take a marker. So we have created the variable num, and we have initialized the value of this variable to -3. Now we are doing a switch on this num. So basically we are checking what is the value of this num. So the value of this num is -3. So we will see, okay, this block matches because it is look, okay, when the value is -3, do this. So now this block will get executed and it will display num is -3. If we have changed the value to, let's say, 2, let's say 2, then what will happen in this case? This block will get executed because this is the value of the expression. What is the expression? Num. What is the value of this? 2. So that's why this block will get executed. Then the next thing is, if enter, let's say, 7. Now in this scenario, this doesn't match and this doesn't match. So the else block will get executed. So in this case, this will get executed. So now since the value of this is -3, it is going to display num is -3. It is going, okay, it will say num is -3. So let's go ahead and hit the execute button. And go to debug only. Num, num is -3. Similarly, if you change this value to, then in this case, what you going to display is, it is going to display this block will get executed, this one, because we are doing switch on this expression and the value of this expression is 2. Okay, let's change the value to 2. Now this block will get executed. So now if I go ahead and execute, it will say num is 2. Now if we entered beside anything 2 or -3, this will not get executed, this will not get executed. We will have an optional block which is when else, and this will get executed because the value of the expression is 12, which doesn't matches any of these blocks. So now if I go ahead and hit the execute, this will get executed on the screen, this will be displayed. So now let's go ahead and hit the execute button. Let's go to debug only. Number is neither 2 nor 3. This line number 11 is executed. So this is in the example related to the switch statements. Okay, we'll meet in next tutorial. Bye.